Welcome to James World, and today we're gonna be reviewing Kay's cooking. I don't have a good feeling about this, and I don't think I will, but let's see what she does wrong and what she does right. Let's start.
Hi people, and I'm back cooking, and today I'm going to be doing special fried rice.
I don't have a good
I
feeling.
put some oil in. It says 2 tablespoons, but as you know, I've got dessert spoons, so I've put 3 in just to compensate.
What's that? What's that purple thing at the bottom? Is that an induction stove? I don't like induction stove. Induction stove is no good. Look!
For it, and now I'm going to chop some garlic up because it says it's got to be really hot, and that feels really hot to me, so I'm going to put garlic in it.
What?
Right, now I'm going to chop the garlic up. Fingers going in there, never mind. Bit of fingers in with egg fried rice, special fried rice.
Okay, first of all, why is your cutlery so colorful? Why? Why is it so colorful? It's not supposed to be colorful, but gotta respect people's rights. They can get whatever kind of knife or cutlery they want. And also, how long will this garlic cutting take? Let's see.
I should have got that other knife. This isn't as sharp as this one. That purple one. Oh! Take them to my friend and get them all sharpened.
How long is this gonna take? I don't have time for this. Let's fast forward.
Just not even doing it now. Now I know a lot of you said cut it, flatten it with the back of the knife or something to do the garlic, but well, I don't think. I mean, yeah, I probably would squash it, but I don't know. I prefer to do it this way. So for everyone who's told me to crush it with the back of the knife, so thank you.
How long is this gonna take?
But thank you for the people who have said it. But I won't carry on doing it this way if it's all right with you, because obviously I want to. Well, I want myself in a lot of pain, don't I? So that is. That is crushed up best I can. It's going to be such a big roll of thunder when I put this in here because the pan is so hot. See that, isn't it? Yes, I bet it on, would you?
Finally, she fries
Not
it.
as big as I expected. What a letdown.
How much oil did you put
As
in
you can
there?
see, it's very hot and the garlic has now turned brown.
Wait, did I just see what I just see? Is she putting raw rice into the pan and boiling hot oil? There's no water. It's just gonna be a crunchy, oily, hot mess with burnt garlic.
And now add the rice. Cook that for a bit. That's what it says to do.
What kind of rice is this?
I think I need a bit more oil on this because it's not going to do it. So I've
What
got
kind
to
of rice
continually
is
keep
this?
turning it. Right, as you can see, it's all turned nicely
Your rice
brown.
is crunchy.
Salt,
That means that you did
pepper,
not cook the rice. You didn't cook the rice. You didn't cook the rice.
keep stirring it all the time.
Why?
What I'm going to do is I'm going to
Why you didn't cook the
some
rice? Why?
because it's looking a bit too dry.
Too dry?
So
It is of course so
crack
too
some eggs.
dry. Your rice is raw.
beat them up.
Egg is not gonna save you.
think this eggs the next one, can't I? Right, well, that's been done for about 5 minutes. Beat eggs together. Add ham, chicken, and peas. Right. Right, it says, the last whole pint is lot. It says I've got to put the chicken in with the egg. That can't be right, can it?
Wait, chicken.
And it says add the ham to the egg as well. That's not right, is it?
What kind of chicken is that?
Well, I'm just doing as it said. If it's wrong,
Is that ham or is that chicken?
I'm doing it right, but
Because that chicken,
it's wrong.
something must have gone wrong with the butcher.
I know, now I'm at first, I know.
What
So
the?
what I'm going to do is, they're all mixed in now. I'm going to put the
This is not going to save you from trauma, from dry rice and burnt garlic. Look at that! With raw rice and burnt garlic.
I'm going to mix it all together. I still don't think there's enough juice in there. I think I'm going to need more.
Your rice is so dry,
The garlic
So
is now
raw.
turned black.
and the garlic
That's
is
right.
burnt to a crisp.
I don't know if you can see, but I've been cooking some peas because I don't know if
Peas?
you're supposed to cook them
Peas?
first. But I've turned them off.
Yes, you're supposed to cook everything else. You cook pea, but you not cook
This is
rice.
like special fried rice,
Hiya.
So I'm going to add the peas now.
Look at this. Look at this.
There's not much
You
water
think
in them peas,
somebody
but I'm
will
going to add it because, like I said,
You mean I
think
do have to be
it's
grateful for food, but this absolutely not.
I think it's looking a lot better now.
What is this?
Right, as you can see, I've been cooking it on a low heat because it was just getting a bit too much. As you can see, I've been stirring it continually, which it said to, so don't stop when you
What
continually
kind of
leave it
recipe do
cooking.
you use? Jamie Oliver,
Yes,
is
oh,
that
please,
a recipe
you
you use?
It
This is worse.
don't look too bad, I
This
don't
is
think.
worse than chili jam
Please show me the pictures.
in
It
rice.
looks a lot like the ham.
Hiya.
There's a bit more ham in theirs than what there is in mine, but it doesn't really matter. So now I'm going to turn the heat down, off, turn the oven off, and I'm going to dish them out on a plate, and Lee's going to do the taste.
First of all, I have no disrespect to Kay. This, from first sight, is really delicious. But the fact you add raw rice and burnt garlic to the mixture with non-cooked rice, with no rice cooker and no steamed pot, but pea is very strange. I do not approve this rice. So, I do not approve this rice by any circumstance.